How to use OBS virtual camera on OmeTV. So in this video, what we're quickly going to be doing is we're going to be seeing how you can use your very own virtual camera on OmeTV in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, in the case you don't have an integrated camera and you want to use a camera where you can make different types of settings and changes inside of your OmeTV, what you're simply going to want to do is first and foremost, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to have your OmeTV fully logged in and signed up. Now, once this is done, what you're going to do over here is you're going to open up your OBS just as so. You're going to click on the plus icon. And over here, you could go to camera or video capture device. And of course, you're going to hit add new video capture device. And as you can see, my integrated webcam has turned on. So we're going to click on OK. And currently you can see that it will view itself like this. What I'm simply going to do is I'm going to hit start virtual camera. And as you can see, this virtual cam over here that I'm moving along my screen has turned itself on. I'm going to keep it here for now. You're seeing black because I have a tape over it. But once that is done, you're going to come right here, go over to the settings. It's going to ask you if it can use your camera. You're going to give it the allowance. And once that is done, over here, what you're simply going to be doing is make sure to give it access to all the things, properly and fully. And right here, you can choose which camera you want to go with. And as you can see, the integrated OBS virtual camera can be seen just as so. So once you hit start, what's going to happen is your camera or your OBS camera is what's going to be appearing just as so. Well, look at that. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.